Welcome guys in this new lecture of image processing using OpenCV and Python. In previous lectures we saw how to draw any line or rectangle over an image. Now in this lecture we are going to see how to draw a circle over an image. So I'm creating a new Python file here and naming it circle.py, and I'll be needing this entire code here. So let me copy and paste it into the newly created file here. Okay. Before starting anything, let me change the variable names that I'll be using. So I'll be using circle underscore image for the final output. And let me rename this displaying window to circle on an image. Okay, like rectangle, CV provides us with the function called circle. And in circle, as we know, there should be center coordinate points. So I am naming it center underscore point, and there should be one radius also. So the color will be there, the circle color, and the thickness, the circle border thickness should be there also. Okay, so basically this is a 512 cross 512 image size, and I suppose want to create a circle in the middle, in the center point. I'll be giving the coordinate of center as 250 cross 250, roughly around. Let the radius is 100, thickness is -1. So we saw that with -1 the image will be filled with the color, or it will be an opaque circle. If I want to change this opaqueness to transparency, I'll give this number something else other than -1. So this is 9 now, and this is the thickness 9 circle. That's how we can create a circle over an image, and that's it for this lecture. We'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.